Need to calm. Alright. Surface. Good. Choke! Master on. That's right. Magneto on. Fuel pump on. I can get running. And can I get a clear prop? And engine start. Alright, this wiring take care of it here a minute. Back to county update. Hey, wind is dropping. Hollins, we've got 210 at 9. Grand Rapids 190 at 17. Kalamazoo 180 at 14. Okay, so that'd be definitely a 180 landing here and takeoff. Alright. Taxi down, get the engine warmed up. And we'll get out of the wetness up here. Taxi up here. There we go. Okay. Taxi down. And we'll stay around Wayland today. Got like 6 gallons of fuel on board yet. Head temperature almost 200. I gotta readjust the squelch too. Last tracks fly. That the wind is variable. Great, on the south. Oh, go right here. Alright, let's do a run up. Alright, here we go. Okay, 42. Right magneto. Okay. Left magneto. Got a drop. Voltage is good. 14. Alright. Filling temperature 200. Okay. Wait on traffic 2277 X-ray. Back taxing 18. Cock. Wayland Field. Let me pick that globe up that was down here. Not on that. Nice of them to do that. Common traffic runway. Okay, let's come down here. Alright, got a nice headwind. What I'll do a short to take off and then climb like crazy. Okay, alright, let's check the altimeter. 40. Alright. Squelch down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Okay. Alright. Wayland traffic 2277 X-ray departing 18. Left hand pattern heading back to the north. Wayland traffic. Alright, turn it up. Alright. Oh. Fine. Here we go. Hello, what's up here? Alright, five. Next, slouch down a little bit right there. Yeah, the wind's a little squirrely. Alright, just turn to the left. Wow, we're gonna be sideways. Got a crab here. Yeah, definitely. The RC field. Alright, there's the runway ahead. Now this is going in. time is it? Almost. Okay, it's dark at 6:30, so I'm on the ground. 30 comes around. It looks like there was a hay auction. Wayland. Alright, we're gonna do a left right-hand turn here. Ready? Alright, so left-hand turn, gentle. A little bit here. Well, it went really ferocious up here. Wayland traffic, 77 X-ray, straight in for runway 18, Wayland traffic.
The wind was really rocking me around right here, as you can see. Out to the side, get on the rudder a little bit. Okay, but here we go, coming in for landing.
at 17 mile an hour traffic or wind, light sport. Yeah, a little hairy. Off and piloting, feels secure. Off and on.